My name is Zach Coca with Minarik Drives. In today's video we're going to show you how to wire up an MM23xx1C. The first thing we're going to wire is the speed potentiometer. The low lead will go into S1. The wiper will go to S2. While the high lead will go to S3. The next thing we're going to do is attach a switch to inhibit so we can control it. Attach it to the two pins marked inhibit on the board. Okay, the next step is to attach the motor leads. Before we do that, we have to flip the switch that's located below the transformer. This sets the armature voltage. We're using a 90 volt motor and factory default set at 180, so we have to flip it over to 90. Next, attach the motor leads to A1 and A2. It doesn't matter where these leads go, it'll just determine the direction of the motor. If the direction of the motor isn't to the one you prefer, just simply swap the armature leads. The last step is to apply power to the drive. Before we do this, we have to set if we're using 230 volts AC or 115 volts. We're using 115 volts AC, so we'll flip that switch. Next, we'll apply the power leads, the common to L2, and the hot to L1. The last thing I'm going to go over are the F1 and F2 terminals. These are located in between L1 and L2, the power lead terminals. These are used if you're using a field wound motor. You'll attach the field to those two terminals. Now that we have it all wired up, it's good to go over a quick test procedure to make sure everything's working properly. We'll turn on the main speed potentiometer. It's in motion in the motor. And then test the inhibit switch. Everything seems to be working properly. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Minarik Drives. If you have any further questions, please feel free to visit us at www.minarikdrives.com or call one of our application engineers at 815-624-6950.